Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Danby portable air conditioner isn't cooling like it used to or you're noticing weaker airflow, there's a strong chance the filter is clogged with dust and needs cleaning. Over time, the filter traps dirt, lint, and airborne particles, and when it gets blocked, the entire system struggles to pull in air properly. This not only reduces cooling performance but can also make the unit work harder than necessary. Many people ignore this small maintenance step, but cleaning the filter regularly can instantly improve efficiency and airflow. The process is simple, but doing it the right way ensures you don't damage the filter or reinstall it incorrectly. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact method to clean the filter on your Danby portable air conditioner safely and effectively. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the unit and unplug it completely from the power source. Step 2. Locate the rear air intake panel where the filter is installed. Step 3. Slide or pull out the filter carefully without bending it. Step 4. Rinse the filter under lukewarm water to remove dust buildup. Step 5. Let the filter dry fully in open air before reinstalling. Step 6. Insert the filter back securely and power on the unit.